Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson of Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just took in this beautiful 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This thing only has 26,286 one-owner original miles. Clean Carfax, super clean truck. This is a nice red metallic color. This is an LT package, so it's equipped with the chrome accents on the front. This one does have the optional side steps. Does have a tow package, Bluetooth, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio. So super clean vehicle. I'll show you through the passenger side. Got nice projector headlights on it. Has nice power folding mirrors on it. Here's a look at the interior. Very clean, like brand new, honestly. And then this actually does have the bed liner in it. And then there's the tow package. So super clean truck. To find out more about this truck, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, or visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.